Hello, everyone. This is Antonio Freeman, founder of the Cash to Assets Club, Executive Vice President of MyEcon. Guys, I'm going to give you a quick training video on our new digital business cards, and been getting a lot of feedback and some questions and concerns, and how to actually get into your card. And I'm going to show you guys how to register, also how to use the templates, and especially for a specific group, you want to use that template. And we're also going to do for the Team Jubilee and show you guys how easy it is to use a template there and actually get your card up and running right away. So the first thing you want to do is I'm going to just kind of go into the back office. You see here, I have several cards set up on my account. These are all different cards. Here's the owner, and these are different cards that I have set up. So let's go ahead and take it from the side. So I'm going to click on this first link here. I'm going to take you guys to a dashboard. Let me log out of here. When you get to this page, when you click on someone's link, someone's going to give you a business card that's going to have this address here, and they're going to have some code numbers on the back. So I'm going to talk about those code numbers shortly. So I'm going to kind of get right into it. So as you can see, you would click on a link and it will take you to an actual template. Down here on the bottom, as it says click here, this is where you would go to actually click and set up a card based upon whoever sent you their card and asked you to sign up. So you do that, you want to hit set up, and it's going to take you right to the back office, and you say NextCard Pro, and it is $8 a month. So you fill out your basic information, create a password, billing address, credit card information, and you want to put in a coupon code that the person who introduced these cards to you, you want to put that coupon code, right in this area here. And this is what's going to give you 3 cards for the price of 1. If you do not put a coupon code here, you will get registered for 1 card. You will have 1 business card. Okay, hit submit, and then you go ahead and move forward. So let's go ahead and get the construction part of it. As you see here, tap in here. Here's my digital code. You see B64458, and you all will have an identified assigned number that's going to resonate back to you. So here's my Team Jubilee, my econ card, personal income shifting here, and let's jump right into how to actually use it. So we click on the code here, and let's go ahead and sign in. Okay, I operate different people's cards just for the safety. So I'm going to go ahead and log in with my account. Okay, so let's dive right in. So you want to, first thing you want to do is here's your name, and you want to click this top 3 dashboards right here. It's going to take you to your back office. And for the most part, you want to first see your digital cards. You want to click on digital card. And as you can see, there's 3 cards here. So I'm going to work off of this card here because this is a card I connected for someone, and I'll show you how to do a swap a little bit later in an advanced training. So let's go ahead and edit this card. You want to click on this edit button right there. And then as you can see, let's go ahead and clear this out. Click here. Let's just use a Team Jubilee. It's going to erase everything. We say, okay, that's not a problem, because I'm going to start from scratch as this demo. So it's taking me to a clean page. Now, when you first register, you're going to click on your Team Jubilee. Oops, let me get this out of here. You're going to click on your Team Jubilee template. From your Team Jubilee template, I'm going to say right here, card templates. Gonna pop, and you want to scroll to the bottom. And when you first sign up, you're going to click Team Jubilee. See, I added this icon to it. Get back to the top, click here. And I want to get back to my digital cards. Okay, scroll back to the top. Let's go back to my digital cards. And let's go edit. Okay, so you got Team Jubilee, and you want to import your, very simple, you want to import your first name, first and last name, your title. You should be an executive vice president. Now there's two phone numbers you see here. This first phone number is the number you want someone to call you physically at. So if you have an office phone number and you don't want them to text you or call your cell phone, you want to put this number right here at the top. Then you see here it has mobile phone. Typically, the average person is going to put their cell phone so they can receive a text message from this particular line. And of course, very self-explanatory, your email address. Now, keep in mind, you want to keep all these working as a business reference. Keep in mind, guys, this is your digital business card. So everything or every bit of information that's in these fields should be related to your business. So any information you want there should be business related. As you can see, the MyEcon logo is already in place. So you do not have to touch that unless you want something different in there. However, this is a template. So you want to take advantage of the fact that this is a template and your job is halfway done. All you need to do is just import a few bits of information. Then you want to also click on this silhouette here. You want to add a picture from your phone gallery inside of here. This is what, now you want to make it a nice profile picture. Again, this is a business card. So try not to put a picture of you with a dog or, you with two other people in that picture. You want to make sure that it's nice and professional looking. You have some options here. You can hit circle, square, or no picture at all. So if I was to click on the circle and I hit preview my card, you'll see that here, there's a little circle silhouette. Now, if I don't want to do that, I want to go back. I hit square and you'll see the difference here. So you got a square picture with the same silhouette. Once again, let's take a look at what it will look like if I actually select it. No border whatsoever. Let's see what that looks like. So now there's no picture at all. It's just a business card and basic information. So you decide what you would like to have there. But of course, we would suggest you have a nice professional picture. I like to use the square. It just kind of shapes off the image. It looks nice and pretty. So the next thing you want to do is select your color. And it's very simple. You want to click the actual bar itself, color bar. And I'm going to direct your attention down to this color wheel here. In this color wheel, you simply place your finger inside and you can change the color to its initial, whatever color you prefer. Now, my favorite color is like a dark burgundy. You probably get a better result with it being down here. Then you want to click to the left anywhere in there and you'll see another dot. I'm going to scroll mine down to a little darker, maroonish color. That's my favorite. I'll click OK. And as you see, my color bar has changed to the color I prefer. I'm going to direct your attention immediately underneath that. It says tab color, text color, background color. So these are all the different fonts and colors you want. So you're in this text color. If you were to click that, you want to go with a color that's highlighting. So it's going to be opposite of your tab color. So you want your text to stand out. I can also say green or yellow or something crazy, as long as you can see it with this color of my burgundy. So this background color here, so I'm going to go white, choose there. This background color, this bar here, if you were to slide that across the field here, this is going, so I'm going to give you two extremes just to make a point. I'm going to go all the way to darker. Take that all the way to darker. Now let's preview that. Now you see my background is so dark, but I can see that my text and letters are already there and it's very bright against that white background. Okay, so let's go back to our template. And if I was to take that same idea and move it across back here all the way to lighter, you'll see, I hit preview, and you'll see that this backdrop here kind of blends in with my backdrop with my econ. It looks very nice and clean and professional. Okay, so you don't have to get too technical with it. The colors are pretty much there. It's very simple. You want to pick a color you like to have a nice background to make that blend in with the white drop here with the My Econ logo. And whatever logo you pick, you have 3 cards to choose from. So whatever color you want to match a background is your preference. But as far as this template here, you want to keep it nice and clean, have a white backdrop blending into the card, and it'll be nice and professional. So let me close these up here while I make this point. So with the My Econ and Team Jubilee template, you'll see here that basically all of your information is already set for you. All you have to do is make sure that the websites are pointing directly to your particular page. So you hear it says financial secrets. You simply want to click on this plus button here. You want to drop this down. Here's the video that's already preset for you. You just want to make sure that you change this here, this web address, make that say your web address link. And you can do that just by a simple copy and paste. Simple copy and paste will take care of that. You grab your link from your own website, click in here, and paste it. Now, if you know it by heart, you can take it, back it on out, and you can continue to type in the words to make it say whatever your website address states. Close that back up. Now keep in mind, guys, this automatically saves. So every time you make a gesture and you move it, it confirms or solidifies that particular field. I can type in here anything I wanted to say. And if I were to click anywhere, it solidifies that information and it's done. Right? Now, once you're done with that particular field, you want to click back to your minus sign. I prefer that you close it because now you can work on the next section, which is $99 lifetime good credit. You can make an adjustment. You simply click on the plus sign. It opens it up. Once again, the video link is already there for you. Right here at the address, you want to take the same link that you had in there and you want to paste it on your hyperlink, where it's going to direct the people who click on that link to your web page and not someone else's. Make that adjustment, click back to negative. Again, you repeat the process throughout the entire filling out these fields. Same thing applies. Video link is already here for you. Change the website address for them if they want to know more, if they like what they saw in the testimonies, and continue on. On the attorneys only, do not remove the information here. This is a bit of information that's going to take them to a website on Facebook. It's going to give attorneys information that they understand and give yourself an additional tool to allow them to move forward with your company and with your business. So down on social media URLs, you want to simply go to your Facebook homepage and type in your Facebook address. For me, in my case, it'll say www.facebook.com Cash to Assets Club, or whatever your name would be. You do that, select it, and you repeat the process with your Instagram, Twitter, and any other social media page you have available. So it's a very simple plug and play. And once you're done, you go back to the top of the page and you click again, preview live card, and you want to see your work in action. Here it is. Again, when you're ready to share it, the easiest way to do it is you have 3 buttons for Android users. There's 3 buttons at the top. You simply want to click on that and you want to hit this button here. It says share. So if I hit share, it will give me an opportunity to then share this information with whomever I feel. Okay, same thing, that simple. You can copy and paste it to a blank email or a blank text message and send it off to your specific individual. And that individual will have an option then to share or to download and save your link by clicking on the save button. So if I click save, now the individual can download this business card or save the icon to their phone, and you can do the same. If they hit download, it'll also download in a CVS file where it'll ask them to import and download the information, as a V card, as a V card into your contacts. So everything is right here, self-explanatory, and it's a very easy and very smooth, professional looking business card that you should get a lot of value out of. All right, guys, my name is Antonio